So this car does not have nav. Tell me about my audio controls.
Well, the radio controls are quite simple. We'll start off with the volume knob, which is right on the bottom here. And the reason why it's down here is because it's easy to get to when your hand is on the shifter. Pushing it turns the radio on or off, and twisting it is your volume control. Now moving up to the main audio controls, we just go ahead and press this audio button. Now this is your main audio menu, and you can choose from, in this instance, 4 particular ways to listen to your music. By turning this knob, you can go from preset to preset that you have stored in your radio. By using these 2 arrows right above it, you can go ahead and move through the radio stations through the seek function. Now if you want to tune your stations manually, go ahead and press this little M on the bottom and use these little arrows again, and it'll go right along one station at a time. Now if you want to listen to a music CD, simply go back to the main menu by pressing audio again and go ahead and select CD. Here's where you can listen to your tracks and select them by simply turning the knob or using again the arrow buttons right above them, either left for down or right for up. There's also a random function, which is labeled as R&D here, and then scan, SC, so you can scan your music files. And again, just like a radio function, if you want to go back to the main menu, press the return arrow. Now you'll notice here we have another selection, which is USB. If your car is equipped with this option, there is a USB port on the bottom of the switch stack on the center console. You can plug in a USB stick with all the music that you have, and by using the same knob and the up-down buttons, you can control the tracks. Lastly, we have an aux in. Now all Minis come standard with an aux in port, which allows you to put any audio device to be plugged right into the car, and you can adjust the volume by using the existing volume knob.
Gotcha. And one last thing, what does this little music note mean?
Ah, the little music note. That's actually how you adjust your radio's bass, treble, balance, and fader. So for instance, by pressing this button, we simply use this wheel, press down on bass, and then turn either the bass up or down accordingly. And if you ever want to adjust your balance, same thing. Press down and then turn for your balance to go either to the left or the right.